Hello and welcome to this online off-season training course. My name is Shelby Olischlager and I will be your coach and guide as we go over all the things that we can do off-season to get us ready for our season. In this course, we're going to go over a few of the elements that I personally find have been super effective for myself to get my body and my mind and my equipment ready to handle and tackle our season coming up. For me, I'm a really firm believer in always improving, and that can be either fitness, our body conditioning improvement, also our mind. There's so many things that are involved in horseback riding and especially barrel racing that are so demanding. They require top-notch brain, top-notch body in order to really do well and show the results that you want. I'm the type of person where I'm going to give it everything I have, and if there's something I can do to improve my riding, I'm going to do it. Over the years of doing yoga, trying to read a lot, doing a lot of athlete performance mindset books, and figuring out how I can better my mental game as well as my physical game, I've learned a ton, and those are the things I'm going to show you in this course. I'm so excited that you took the jump and wanted to learn these because I find it is just so valuable and so helpful, especially in our off season. We really have the gift of time to perform these activities and to really feel the benefits when we actually get back on our horses. And it is such a cool feeling to really feel all that hard work that you've done pay off in the saddle. With the help of a coach, with the help of me, we're gonna figure out your focus for this off season and just to keep you motivated and on track of what you really want to accomplish with your 2021 season. I know this year has been really tricky for all of us, and this is kind of a time that you're going to take for yourself, and I'm really happy for you to do that because it will be such a great feeling. Even if this year really doesn't turn out how we want, you're going to know that you've done the work, you've put in the hours and the sweat to really help yourself and help your horses. I find ultimately we're doing this for our horses. I want to be the best rider for my horses I can be. So I know my horses are really capable of incredible things, but it could be me standing in their way. And I hate that feeling because I've been there. I'm sure we've all felt that way as riders, that we let our horses down in one way or another. And with this off-season training and just taking advantage of our off-season time, we're going to really work on ourselves so we can help our horses when the time actually counts. I really think you're going to enjoy this. I personally, these are the things, like I said, that have really helped me improve my mental game, my physical game, and just my overall riding because I was way more present and aware, and I felt way more confident in what I was doing, and it really showed in the arena. I want the same for you as well. I think we are also capable of those things, and if you put the work in and you put your mind to it, I think you can accomplish everything you actually want to. And this is a great place to start. So let's take advantage of this winter, this cold, dreary winter, and let's get ready to tackle our 2021 season. We'll see you inside the course.